Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 6 April Monday 2026. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 2, number 10, number 18, number 27, number 35, number 42. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 10, number 18, number 27, number 35, number 42. Today lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 11, number 19, number 28, number 37, number 45, number 48. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 11, number 19, number 28, number 37, number 45, number 48. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 28, and number 36, and number 38, and number 42. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 28, number 36, number 38, number 42. Now tea time prediction for Monday 6 April 2026. Today tea time single prediction numbers: number 9, number 16, number 21, number 30, number 35, number 43. Today tea time single prediction number repeat: number 9, number 16, number 21, number 35, number 43. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 18, number 25, number 31, number 37, number 45, number 47. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 18, number 25, number 31, number 37, number 45, number 47. Today time booster ball numbers: number 32, or number 38, or number 44, or number 45. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 32, or number 38, number 44, or number 45. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification.